Want to know the biggest investment that I've made? Hey guys, it's Adrian here, the Canadian in a t-shirt. And today, I'll be talking about my biggest investment. It's the coolest app and the best community that I am proud to be a part of. And that's Blossom Social. Blossom is a social media platform designed for Canadian investors to discuss stocks, ask questions about investing, and you can follow your favorite YouTubers and see our portfolios totally for free. Blossom is a total game changer, and I'm not just speaking as a fan. I'm invested. I have skin in the game. I've put more money into Blossom than RioCan or even TD, which are my favorite stocks. That's how much I believe in the future of this platform. I joined the Blossom team 6 months ago, and honestly, it's been one of the best decisions I ever made. The community on Blossom is so welcoming and knowledgeable and passionate, and they're continuing to grow every day. When I joined back in February, we had about 7,000 viewers. Now, we're at over 30,000 Canadian investors. And no, I can't take the credit. The platform speaks for itself. On top of that, we've brought together the biggest Canadian financial YouTubers like Brandon Beavis, Humble Trader, Passive Income Investing, Daniel Pronk, Financial Nirvana Mama, Robin Haney. And on the Instagram TikTok side, we've got Joy Yang, Money with Cass, Bilal from Canadian Stocks, and more. You should definitely check them out. They're all awesome and we've genuinely become friends. All thanks to Blossom. In fact, we're doing a Canada-wide meet and greet tour. I'll talk about this later in the video and I'll include a link to tickets down below. I've already made a video on why I love Blossom and why it's so important to build transparency with investing. So check that out. Again, link down below. You'll also find my referral link to download the app. It's totally free, but if you use my link, you'll help to support my channel, so I do appreciate it. In this video, I want to show the app itself, highlighting some awesome new features, and I'll focus on two main benefits of the app, the social media community and tracking your portfolio. At the end, I'll reveal my full investing portfolio and my dividends in private mode with dollar amounts, so stick around for that. As always, I include timestamps for each chapter, so feel free to skip ahead. Here we see the Blossom homepage. You can scroll through and see posts, questions, and polls from users, and here's something new, we now have dark mode. Just go to your phone settings, display, select dark, and boom, Blossom is now in dark mode. I love it. It looks cool and it's easier on the eyes. Swipe over to see posts from users and influencers that you're subscribed to, and you can even access news articles directly. A brand new feature is the search bar at the top to search posts for keywords. You can also hit the purple button at the top left and filter posts for topics. Let's say you only want to read about dividends. Here you go. It's super easy to navigate the platform, and at the top right, you'll have notifications when someone follows you or comments on your post, or when your favorite investor makes a new trade. I love engaging with you guys on YouTube comments and now on Blossom, so I always try to respond. Click the Discover button at the bottom and you can search for investors or stocks. Type out Canadian t-shirt and you'll see me there. Or look up a stock like Coca-Cola. You'll see a stock chart, some community numbers, and important metrics like market cap, dividend yield, price to earnings ratio, etc. You'll also see popular recent posts about the stock. Here's one from me about my favorite stocks on the New York Stock Exchange. Every post will have comments at the bottom, so join the fun. Back to Discover, you'll see the daily news briefs from the Blossom team and check out the most popular posts for the week as well as for the month. At the top, you'll see our upcoming events. Speaking of which, I just came back from the Calgary meet and greet event. It was a ton of fun, meeting over 100 of you guys and answering questions. That's why my voice is a little raspy. I was talking for about 5 hours straight, but totally worth it. We have 2 more events coming up. Toronto will be on August 1st in the Rec Room, right beside the CN Tower, and Montreal will be on August 3rd. Buy your tickets down below. They cost $30, which includes food and drinks. Hope to see you there. So that's the social media side of things, but a really cool part of Blossom is tracking your investing portfolio. Here you can see my profile, Canadian t-shirt, with a quick snapshot of my portfolio breakdown, my largest holdings, and scroll down to see the full list of all of my stocks and ETFs that I invest in. You guys probably recognize my largest holdings, like RioCan, TD, Coca-Cola, Enbridge, and more. This number inside the chart tells me my gain or loss for the day. Today was a good day in the markets, so my portfolio went up almost 1%. Not bad at all. I can also select all time. This tells me that in terms of capital gains, my portfolio has gone up 6.37%. Remember, this is just capital gains. My actual rate of return is much higher because of dividends, which I'll get to in a second. Privacy is super important. That's why on Blossom, you can only see percentages, not dollars. If I go to Brandon's account, I have no idea how much money he has. That's his business. All I know is that his portfolio went up 0.39% today, and he has about 10% invested in Google. The dollar amounts are only visible to him. On my portfolio, I'll switch to private view so I can see the dollar amounts. Again, I'm the only person who can see this, but for this video, I'll give you guys a quick peek. Blossom is a super clean and easy way to track my portfolio as a whole. So I can see that my portfolio is worth about $211,000. Remember, in public view, you guys can see that I went up by 0.95% today. But for me, in private view, I can see that I earned almost $2,000 in capital gains. That's a great day. You can also see the all-time returns as a whole and for each individual stock. Everything I've shown you is totally free on Blossom, but they've recently launched some extra tracking features, especially for dividends, with Blossom Pro. You should definitely give this a shot. You have a 7-day free trial, and after that, it's about $5 a month. For me, it's well worth it for the extra dividend analytics. Let's take a look. Here in public view, I can see my overall dividend yield across all my stocks and ETFs is 4.59%. But the cool part is in private view. Now I can see that my portfolio is earning me almost $8,700 a year in dividends. That's over $700 a month in passive income. I can also track dividends each month. Remember, some stocks pay quarterly dividends. That's why I see a spike every 3 months. I can also see a breakdown of each stock and how much in dividends they pay me. I love this feature, and it's going to get even better with each update. From my portfolio, you can click on trades to see every time I buy or sell a stock. I'll usually include a quick explanation as well. And click on posts to see all the posts that I've made over time. And feel free to join the discussion in the comments. Check out the Blossom Social YouTube channel for more in-depth walkthroughs with Max, the CEO. And click my referral link below to download Blossom. Again, it's totally free, and I promise you'll learn so much from this awesome community. And be sure to use my link to help support my channel. So thanks everyone, I hope to see you on Blossom, and I'll see you guys on the next episode of The Canadian in a T-Shirt. Bye guys.